Welcome to the Future of Reality, a video exploring the differences between augmented reality and virtual reality, their potential applications, and how they are shaping the future of technology. AR is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception of reality. VR is a technology that immerses users in a completely digital environment, simulating reality. AR and VR have different approaches to reality, but both have potential applications in various fields, from entertainment to education and healthcare. AR and VR have the potential to revolutionize various industries, such as retail, real estate, and tourism, by providing immersive and interactive experiences. As AR and VR technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative applications and advancements in the way we interact with the world around us. Augmented reality and virtual reality are changing the way we experience the world. In this video, we'll explore the tools and technologies required to create these immersive experiences. To create AR and VR experiences, you need the right hardware. This includes headsets, controllers, and sensors that track movement and position. In addition to hardware, you need software to create AR and VR experiences. Popular development platforms include Unity, Unreal Engine, and more. For creating AR experiences, there are specific development platforms like ARKit and ARCore that provide tools and frameworks for building AR apps. Similarly, for creating VR experiences, there are development platforms like Oculus and Steam VR that provide tools and frameworks for building VR apps. While AR and VR offer exciting possibilities, there are also challenges in developing these experiences. These include hardware limitations, user experience, and more. With the right tools and technologies, you can create immersive AR and VR experiences that change the way people interact with the world. Please subscribe to our channel